pleased to meet you, the BDA Group. With this film, we would like to introduce our companies to you. In the field of roofs and facades, we give advice on maintenance, renovation and new constructions. In addition, we carry out inspections on site, and we certify hundreds of products which are used on roofs and facades. Moreover, we organize training courses, for instance, for the profession of qualified roofer. And we give special courses about roofs and facades in instruction rooms with extensive facilities. The BDA Group consists of 3 independent companies under the same management, which makes sure the companies convey the knowledge in the best possible way. BDA is not associated with any single roofing or facade company, nor with any single purchasing organization or supplier. The revenues of the BDA Group come purely from giving advice and not from supplying products or executing construction work. The product, which BDA sells, consists of a combination of knowledge and independence. This independence is guaranteed, among other things, by the membership of the honorary of the advisory. The assignments include giving advice on renovation, maintenance and new constructions. Specializing in damage surveys and expert appraisal, expert witness in court, tracing leakages with equipment specially developed for that purpose, and carrying out building supervision at building developments. Short-term and long-term planning for the operational life of roofings and product development by assignment of manufacturers at home and abroad. Documentation advice, and building physical inspection calculations for roof constructions are all part of the daily work. On the Dutch market, BDA is the unchallenged market leader. As a result of the good relations with the branch organizations and laboratory institutes, BDA plays an important role for the Dutch roofing industry within a European framework. BDA contributes considerably to a further optimization of the flat roof. It closely follows the developments and has extensive know-how, which it constantly keeps up to date. The main individualization within the BDA Group is that of the BDA Testing and Certification Institute. This company is mainly involved in certification of roofing products, insulation materials and fittings. in building and construction in the Netherlands. The third agency within the BDA Group is BGA Facades. The primary objective of this independent advice agency is to be involved at an early stage in the design, new construction or renovation of a project, and not only when damage occurs, although in practice the latter often happens. The advice drafted by BGA relates to the most divergent parts and aspects of facade constructions. A few examples are curtain walls, glazing, and coatings. If necessary, the advice given includes building physical and structural calculations. The advice may also include cost-price calculations, quotation assessments, site supervision and surveillance, and testing of materials. Assembly inspections on site, as well as wind and water tightness tests of assembled facades, are also executed by BGA. Throughout the years of our existence, it has appeared that there is a substantial demand for newly gained knowledge in the field of roofs and facades. BDA training excellently satisfies that demand. Annually, some 1,000 students receive practical and theoretical training. We have a separate practical instruction room, in which the theoretical knowledge can directly be tested in practice. Not only in the field of design and realization, but also particularly in the field of maintenance and new developments, like the application of synthetics, metal roofs, etc. The practical courses focus on the use of roof and facade products. The course program is limited to roof and facade, but then as extensive as possible. Apart from the open courses for individual enrollments, BDA training also organizes made-to-measure courses, of which the subjects covered are geared to the special requirements of the client. BDA Roofs, BDA Testing and Certification Institute, BGA Facades, and BDA Training. That's the BDA Group.